Hello, my name is Shchetinnikov Stas and I'm head of development in Huge Enterprise and also an author and instructor of the Microservice Architect course at KETUS. This 5-month course will be extremely useful for those who want to learn the best practices for developing software architecture and complex distributed and fault-tolerant systems, and we will do it through hands-on projects. We will explore many complex issues related to the design and maintenance of backend applications. We will not only explore design patterns for new services, but also gain insight into approaches to working with legacy services. The course will help you to learn how to address issues such as consistency of change or service orchestrations, which will be useful for those working in distributed and decentralized systems. Homework assignments with detailed feedback from the instructors, and the final project will help you to practice and reinforce what will you learn. Just join us.